These instructions will work with any model of the U-Punch, but this is an HN2000 or 4000 model, which is also part of the HN4500 or HN6000 bundles. This video will walk you through setting the date, time, and daylight savings time settings on your clock. The first thing to do is remove the cover using one of the keys that are provided. Now we're going to move the set switch to the right. You can see the screen now reads HN1. There's also a 00 in the lower left corner. That shows that we're ready to program the basic settings. Press the Enter button, the third button from the left, to set the year. This might be preset to the current year already, but if it's not, press the first button to go forward a year, and press the second button to go back a year. Press the Enter button to enter the month and date. You'll see that the month is flashing, so let's set that for March. I'll use the first button to go forward each month, and again, the second button will take me back if I go too far. When I press Enter, it locks in the month, and the date starts to flash 01 for the first of the month. I'm going to go backwards by pressing the second button to the 25th. Again, I press Enter to lock in that date. Now I can set the time. Right now it's 2:39, so I'll set that using the 24-hour clock. Using the forward and backward buttons along with Enter, it's easy to set this. When I press Enter, after the minutes, you see a blinking 24. This is asking me if I want military time or standard time. Again, I make a choice with the forward and backward buttons and press Enter. If that's all you want to set, just flip the set switch back to the left, replace the cover, and start punching. But wait just a second, and let me show you how easy it is to set the daylight savings time. We're now on code 04, which is where we set the month and date for daylight savings time start. This information is in your product manual. I'm setting this for 2015, so we'll set March 8th. Again, I'm using the same forward, backward, and Enter buttons to move to the next selection. Code 05 wants to know what time daylight savings time starts, so we're going to set 2 a.m. Code 06 is asking when daylight savings time ends this year. In 2015, that's on November 1st. And again, these dates are in your product manual. We're on the last one now. Code 07 wants to know what time daylight savings time ends. We'll set 2 a.m. here as well. When we press Enter, we see HN2, which is where we set pay period settings. We'll cover that in another video, but for now we'll just move the set switch to the left and replace the cover. Thank you for watching this U-Punch Basic Settings video.